Surf wheel starts.
Okay, I'm definitely feeling it now. This is awesome.
Meet the Team G electric skateboard. An ultra-thin, lightweight, and comfortable e-skateboard. Carefully designed with stability in mind, the Team G is only 12 millimeters thick and just 8 centimeters off the ground. It has an 18-kilometer range on a single charge, an integrated battery that charges to full in just 2 hours, a low center of gravity that allows for comfort control and max stability, powerful brushless motors for quick acceleration, steady brakes to slow down safely, easy controls so you can pick up and go, high elasticity PU wheels for a comfortable ride, 2 speeds for any level of rider, makes climbing 20-degree hills a breeze, a downhill regenerative battery so you can recharge on the go, controls for changing speeds, braking, or reversing direction, easy to clean and maintain, compression resistant, strong dual hub motors to get you where you need to go, and a nice emery paper cover. Team G, back us today.